In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an agreement to an employee. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Then make sure you have your enterprise selected. If you do not have enterprise permissions, you will not be able to view or add your employees' agreements. Once you have your enterprise selected, click on Employees. Then choose the employee you would like to add an agreement to. Next, go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. Choose Agreements from the drop-down menu. And now you can see any current agreements you have with that employee. Right now I have one. To add a new one, click Add at the top of the chart. Now, choose the date this agreement became effective. Let's say today. Then choose the policy. We'll say the base policy. Then choose the agreement. We will say Catering Services Associates. And the position, Cash Register. If you don't want to do this, choose Close. If you do, select Add. And now that agreement has been added to your employee's chart. Notice a green bar has appeared under Remove, letting you know when this page was last adjusted. To remove an agreement, select that agreement, then choose Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to do that. If you don't, choose Cancel. If you do, select OK. And now that agreement has been removed. Notice that you cannot remove every type of agreement. Right now, the recruitment one doesn't have that little checkbox and it cannot be removed. That's how you can add an agreement to an employee. Check out the next video to learn how to add, remove, and view your employees' credentials.